Hi all, I Sandeep welcome you to another exciting video on our channel Propel Guru. In this video, we will be explaining you the complete process of designing an icon that can make your social media creatives more effective and propelling for the audience. So without wasting your time, let's begin with the demo.
So let's get started. This is the layout of Adobe Illustrator. We will create a new file by clicking on Create New and let's name it as Icon Design. I am taking the width and height as 1000 px. Now we will take a square artboard of 1080 by 1080 pixels. So the layout will look like this. Firstly, we will select the shape and draw it on the board. As I have selected the rectangle shape, we can see that the rectangle is white inside and the outline is black. Let me move to the toggle menu as we can see it here. I am filling the rectangle with red color and removing the outline. Now press V. V is used for the selection tool. As the shape is selected, now we will rotate it. Here we can see the rotation option in the menu bar. Now click at the center and move it. So as you can see that it is rotated at 45-degree angle. Now we will click again at the center, press shift and move it to the opposite side with alt to make a copy. Moving on, we will click on the direct selection tool and select these 4 squares by pressing shift and curve them. Now select the whole shape with the selection tool and then click on the shape builder tool. Click alt and minus for removing the extra shapes and merge these shapes. So now you can see a heart shaped icon here. I'm going to make a chat icon now. So I'm selecting the circle from the shape. As you know, if I press shift, it will create a perfect circle. By pressing V and alt, we will drag it and it will make a copy. I am making it yellow and making the other circle blue. And I will overlap the yellow circle with the blue one. The shortcut to this is Ctrl plus Shift plus right square bracket. Now we will take a pen tool. The shortcut is P and draw the desired shape. Select the shape, go to the shape builder and merge both the shapes. As the color is changed to yellow, we will make it blue again. It is now looking like a chat icon. We will insert the dots now. Zoom it, press Alt and Shift. And you can see it is placed in the perfect position here. Fill it with white color. We will click on the selection tool and drag this dot to make 2 copies. Press shift and drag it in the center. Manage the spacings. Now select these dots, press Alt and drag them to the yellow circle to make a copy and delete the extra dots. So as you can see, our perfect chat icon is ready. Now I am going to make a camera icon. Click on the shapes and select rectangle. Fill it with any random color. Let's take orange. Now we will draw a lens. For that, select the circle shape and draw it at the center. Let's make it gray. Now we will make a copy of it with Ctrl+C and place it with Ctrl+F to be placed in the same location. Press Alt and Shift to make it small in size. So we can see the lens shape is here. We will draw the shutter click button if we press L on the keyboard. Then the circle shape will be selected automatically. So we will draw it here and make it white. Click on the selection tool and make copies of the circle and color them accordingly. Make a shape here. The shortcut to select the rectangle shape is M. And for selection tool, shortcut is V. Align it. Click on the selection tool and drag it and make a curve. To revert it back, right click, then click on arrange, then click on send to back, and the shortcut key for this is Ctrl+Shift+ left square bracket. I am increasing the size. Press V and drag it. So our camera icon is ready. Now let's learn to make a house icon. Click on shapes and then select the polygon shape. It is a triangle now, but we can press the up arrow key. The number of sides will increase, as you can see here. For now, I am taking the triangle shape. If we press Shift, it will not move from its place. Press V and move it. Resize and reshape it accordingly. Press Alt and Shift and decrease the size. Now we will select the rectangle shape and draw it accordingly. I will select the shape, click on the shape builder tool, press Alt and remove the shape. This is not required. Let's make a chimney here. I'm using the arrow key to move it up and down. Now we choose the desired colors and fill them in our icon. So I have made 4 icons, as you can see. Now we will export these icons in PNG format. To export, select the icon, right click on it and then click on the export section. This layout will open. Now we need to select the location to which we want to export it. As I am saving it in the desktop, select desktop and then select the folder. Now we will choose the format in which we have to save the icon. Here you can see different formats. We can also scale up the icon, like if we want 2 times, 3 times or 4 times. I have selected 1 time and then click on the export section. So now it is saved on the desktop. Let's check it. Our icon is here. So if we want to see the properties of icons, right click and then click on the properties. We can see all details here. Now we can export all icons similarly.
So that's all for today. Thank you for watching the video. If you like this video, you can hit like, share and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to learn more on the same topic, you can have another video on the basics of typography. You can watch our video and never stop learning. Link is in the description box below.